You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. There are different ways of pronouncing it because the British English or the British pronounce it differently from the Americans. So the UK pronunciation, British English, laboratory, okay, laboratory, with a stress on the bo syllable, the second syllable. Now the American English pronunciation, the way Americans pronounce it in the US, is laboratory, laboratory, no, laboratory, 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 no, sorry. Laboratory is how the Americans pronounce it. Laboratory. So you got laboratory, British English, and laboratory, American English. Yes, I got it. You got it? You got it. Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.